Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making for you guys stir-fried chicken in oyster sauce. First things, heat oil in a pan. So first I'm going to take a whole red chili and now sliced onion for this. Not chopped, sliced onion. Once the onions have turned a little pink, drop in your garlic. Then I'm going to throw in the carrots, some beans, and some bell peppers. Now things become easier if you have a Chinese wok to toss it. But if not, that's fine. In goes in my shredded chicken pieces. As you can see, they are also cut in juliennes. Once the chicken is in, put in the seasonings. Cracked pepper, salt, little bit of sugar, rose vinegar, little bit of soy. Then you put in oyster sauce, which you get in the market. Just add a decent amount of oyster sauce. Toss all of that well with the chicken. So if you want this to be semi-dry with a little bit of a gravy in it, what I'm going to do now is I have some corn flour with me. I'm just going to add some corn flour to it slowly so it becomes a little. See, that's how it becomes this thick. So this is done and now I'm going to pour this in my plate. Such a simple recipe. As usual, I'm going to garnish it with some spring onion. And your stir-fried chicken in oyster sauce is ready. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to Desi Bites. And I will see you soon in another episode. Take care y'all. See you. Try this at home. It's a very easy recipe. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making grilled chicken skewers with a red wine sauce. For this, I have taken chicken breasts which have been sliced and put up on skewers. I've then marinated this with olive oil, black pepper, salt, chili flakes and rosemary. Now you don't really have to add rosemary, you can add any herb that you have. You can use fresh herbs or you can use dried up herbs. So salt, pepper, herbs, chili flakes and olive oil. That's about it. Let's start with making the sauce first. For the sauce, we have bottled barbecue sauce that you get in the market. So I've taken some of that, add that to the pan. So this barbecue sauce, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some red wine to this. Just a little bit of red wine, glossy, give it a very good flavor with the wine. So now I'm going to put my sauce. I just put this in a glass because it's easier to pour it out. You can use the same pan because you're putting the sauce on top of the chicken anyway, so it's alright if you use the same pan. Now in this, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. Pan heat up. Then I'm going to add my chicken skewers one by one. recipe is grilled chicken skewers in red wine sauce. This is going to take 10 to 12 minutes to get done to perfection. I'm cooking it on a slow flame so that they cook through nicely. And since I'm using chicken breast, it will cook faster than chicken leg would have cooked. And this is there you have it guys, a very easy recipe to execute. So try it and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I will see you in another episode. Till then, let's take care.